You guys, look at that.
Oh.
Wow. Ang dami meta da tolong da si ba meje. Christmas is Hello everyone, welcome from Kamtsu village. That is my village, and we are getting ready to go to fishery right now. We'll be catching some fish from a fishery pond, since the fishery pond is few miles away from my dad's residence here in the village. So we'll be going out. Some of my friends are also coming from Woka. They will be here for the first time, so can't wait to host them. They are really excited, and I am quickly applying my Cureskin hydrating cream and also the sunscreen, because here sun is very harsh and you need to apply a lot of sunscreen when you are out. I keep on continuing with their Cureskin product because I have seen visible changes over this course of years. So for those of you who are planning to start your skincare journey next year, you can also start skincare journey with Cureskin. So if you are not aware of what Cureskin is, it is an AI technology based, and you can download the app from the Apple Store or your Android, and this AI technology will scan your face and it will detect the area that needs treatment. The dermatologist will curate a box like this. I also keep it with me whenever I travel because it has everything in the box, starting from your face wash to your hydrating cream and also your sunscreen and also your night cream. So they have it everything here in the box. They will curate it according to your skin issues or skin problems that you are facing. So you can also start your skincare journey with your Cureskin. And this skincare kit will cost you around 1,500, but if you use my code LOLO300 you'll get 300 rupees off, so you can hurry up and use my coupon code. So guys, like I said, it is extremely affordable and time saving at the same time, and free monthly follow-up checkup is also there. You just have to pay for the kit, and everything else such as your monthly consultation, your diet plan, water intake, lifestyle change, recipe ideas, and many other informations are available on the app itself. So you can also give it a try. I will leave down the link in the description and also on my comment section, so you can pop that open and check it out for yourself. We have no idea how much we'll get today because my dad won't be coming for the fishing. So let's go, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. We're going out for fishing. Some of my friends are also coming from Boka. They'll be joining on the way. So see you guys at the fishing place. Fishing place. Fishing.
Fishing. आज तो fishing करेगा.
फिशिंग करेगा. ये बच्चा लोग भी है. आज तो हिंदी से ब्लॉगिंग करेगा. कैसा है मरुनी? अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं है? हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है. क्या? अच्छा है. आप भी हिंदी मालूम है ना? नहीं मालूम. हाँ? नहीं मालूम. आप तो हिंदी. I know you know. I know you know. So this year the Christmas is hosted by my aunt and their family. Ano, my aunt, my dad's elder sister. Tanya kan đi cháu lệ gì? Local Tanya. Anna salam. Anna salam. 지금 전에 나 기자 엄마. 아, 나 지금 일하도 래 뭐. everyday 이게 제 유튜브 사이나. 좀. 좀 말하겠으나.
혹시 오름지 돼 그다나 되는.
Mushroom in this shot.
실로
And here are my friends all the way from Mocha.
예. 틀리 다녀지 돼. 그게 넘쳐독다 갈로.
마독다가 마루 년춘이 정말. 저 불안 갔어. 아.
중화, very 중화.
Yes, yes, yes. Cross the water. Idea, tahan fishing grese, and ये दे also दे उस्ती बन होंगे पर दिखाई दिबो clean water ना streams. क्या दिए से क्या करी बोले से काउरी दाना काउरी बिशी बाली ऐसे कुछ तो है टोस्टा कुते ऊपर दे so कुम्भा हंदो rubber plantation हुए से कुम्भा हंदो betel plantation हुए से कुम्भा हंदो इन्हें along with fishery come duck. Wow! So many ducks, and they are also rearing pigs, piggery farming, and they say they have 10 pigs over here. Yeah, very beautiful. Look at that. Let me show you the piggery farm here.
The pig is here. Oh no, I cannot do.
Oh, wow. Wow. So many pigs. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then wow. Wow, beautiful.
Pig. Nah. Wow. What is this?
Oh, they have rabbits as well here. Wow.
What is this?
Fishery bond.
What is fishery one?
Fishery bond is where there. Beautifully.
So many products. So many products.
Piggery farm.
I like the ducks.
Bishibala say idea and so clean. Yes. So palace na kushi na nai.
I will show you the product.
Wow. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Uncle. Oh, uncle. Are you tak khando bikai na nai? Bikai. Wow. Farm life. Yo rồi. Hàng gì tầm mấy ta vậy? Số long ta xịt vào này chứ. Tốt con kẹ. Bánh hết trên rồi. Ta nó đi nè chạy chỗ lấy xe. So guys, man, Aji fishing a lot of failure because my dad was supposed to come, but since Aji service start was and he will be there in the program as well, so he couldn't make it for the fishing. If he was there, then we would have gotten more fish. But anyhow, we just got some few, so we'll be cooking that. We're also cooking some other items at home, so we'll be heading back to our place. My friends are also here for the first time. They're really enjoying this beautiful view out here at my village, so we'll update you guys once we get back home. So yes, see you. Birthday gift by Shay.
Hey, birthday gift from Lolo's friend.
TV by Shay. I'm the orange.
Christmas gift. Thank you so much.
No, very sweet. Chizoda.
Hey, here.
This one. Mama They're going for the for evening service today. For the shoot. All the best. Bye. Kiki bigayaso ho.
Kiki bigayaso.
Oh, itu bi dibi. Leg speed dibi 100 laga dibi de.
100 laga.
Itu to hele 30 laga dibi. Mama bi 20 laga dibi. Kurkure 20. Leg speed 30 laga dibi. Fishing jar ini baik. Don't stay. We're gonna cook it from here. Tapi na, kalau itu sih, lotus style. Apa nama? Much meat kalibo. We have one more fish here. Jadi mana? Oh. Dia tu, dia pani olah tadi wah ina ina bawa deh. Okay, pada lah ni. This, dia tu kauri masa, kauri lah hot, pakai sih. Dia pas tinggal di bawah. We're keeping it a little bit of bamboo shoot water, and I'm also going to keep this tablespoon of milk. Tinggal all of it here, tambak, and a little bit of chili powder for color. All the way from Boca. Itu panai dia sih. In general, he knows it. This is rosella leaf, different variety. Maybe must a little. It's really, really good, especially when you cook fish. Fish curry is finally done. Hey! Lorray! Oh, Lorray! Onde 好吃收金香蛋噶，一点收金那真不错个。
我让你家没让哭泣的，
天啊，怎么天上那个呢
？Flash up dengan dia cuma
Jo, come on everybody!
Yay!
好。
哎呀，so many chutney, so tasty.
你做行看啦。
So tasty.
We are leaving now. Bye!
Bye, bye, bye.
This gift of all.
Let's go to make
Ken, Christmas Ken.
Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Hiya, together.
Merry making and celebration still going on.
No, Bobby.
你就干到了。
你中我姐。对。
Cake.
哎呦，那给这别别吃的。
Your tea.
Oh, thank you. 엄마 우잔대로 이제 연습지죠 저거나 하려면 청다지 연습생가 놓았나. 아리 그래. eng아로지는 아리 그다 이게 산다 저 산에 자라 청. 아예 내가 또 다르지 치잖아. 이제 치려고지. 뭐니까 맞대? 가가지고 선에 치고. 그러나 백 소란이 야나 저기 다다만 거네 대충에.
Parang good.
바바니 되지.
엄마 하나 또 주세요. 누가 콜라 이거 주면. Good idea.
Another plate to the plate.
엄마 그잖아.
Another plate to the Na play.
Play, sana play sa dali lang. Play.
Ada siapa?
Dari siapa? Mengen tabda sejala sama dah.
이게 봐봐는 플레이 이런서.
Entah tu, dalam tu, itu studio dulu benda.
अच्छा.
Kan pina. Anak ada siapa nak coba nak?
Sama it's your turn.
Nak coba.
Studio. Ada bobina. Boleh nak na.
Pagkakas siya dala. Unyekara aja na dali nito yaw. Alam something ka na
Ito na ako sa bulig na
Ito na kasi ito ingak, mama.
Kami ka na din.
Yan, nilagyan mo na lang. Oh.
Ada bobina tanong. Play. Dance, sing.
Play, sing. Stand up. Schedule. Play. Schedule. Lo. Stand.
Ada bobina. Kom hajin kan juga. Gua hajin kan juga. Dance, shout.
Shout. Stage